name is Pastor Reagan. The virtual pastor is the course to be a part of. Actually, it has challenged me in such a way that it has woken up the witness inside of me. I've only felt like this when I just got saved, where I had a burning passion to see every soul that I come in contact with get saved. And I never knew that being a servant of righteousness actually included me proclaiming the gospel, you know, being that witness. So what the course has been doing, it has been awakening that part of me that doesn't want to pass a man without giving him a chance, you know, to hear about Jesus, to hear my testimony, what Jesus has done for me. It has, you know, brought me to the point where I would be walking on the street and I see an insane guy, and I have an unction and I have a desire to just go over and to hug or to just be a witness to that guy. That's the point where this course has brought me to. It has awoken up that thing even for studying the word. I mean, I'm excited about the word. I'm excited about learning about God, the things of godliness, you know. So the course has challenged me to even study, you know, and that's just a good thing, because the more you know about God is the better able you are to please Him. And I just want to please the Lord. You know, I want, you know, being a witness to be a lifestyle. I want to be at the place, I'm provoked to be at the place where I know no stranger. You know, I'll just go out and, you know, without having to try and pump up myself, just to, you know, be a witness to someone. Give that person a chance at the light. Give that person a chance, like even what the centurion had. You know, he had gotten a testimony that made him a real believer. He believed in the testimony of Jesus because of what he heard and I've even seen. I want my life to be like such, to be the one giving a testimony about Jesus, that He is alive and that He is well in me. You know, so I just really want to thank God for this course. I can tell you the truth is, it really challenged me though. It challenges me to get out of my shell and to just be free and be what God has called me to be. To stop being intimidated, you know, and that's just the way to go for me. I just really believe it's from God, and I won't let it pass. I won't let it leave me. I'm running with it. I'm running with it.